first time?
No,
First time.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How many nights you gonna be here with us?
Just the one.
Yeah.
We've been in Fiji for about a week, just hopping between a bunch of places.
So we're going back home tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah. Need a room tour of this place. We're like 2 doors down from the presidential suite, and the lady told us we got upgraded to a. I haven't checked this out yet.
It's like king suite.
She said king size bed, studio,
We've
beachfront
got
view,
beachfront view. We're upgraded to something pretty cool. So.
and she also, and you know they were really nice, and
And this
the lobby was really cool as well.
This is with an early check-in. We're here
11.
before 12.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Anyway, we get to enter on these. We have these double doors. This resort's newly open. I think they opened. They said that they were due for renovation right before COVID.
They had renovation right before COVID, so it's like less than 3 years old right now.
Well, and they just reopened like a few months ago. But they greeted us when we checked in with a couple bottles of cold Fiji water and cold towels. But as we enter the double doors, we have a little area to put our suitcases, and we have these cool little lamps. They almost look like a library. And then we have a desk right here with an outlet. Comes in handy. What's in this thing? They're just drawers. Okay, so let's see. Right around here we have a bar area. Is this the bar area? We have a couple bottles of Fiji water, a fridge with a carton of milk, couple glasses, tea and coffee and glasses, and mugs and ice bucket and a tea kettle. Right over here we have a cool looking desk, and we have a couch and a TV, and it has Netflix and Hulu. And the bed, what you think of the bed? Good position of outlets. We have USB things too, as well as a AC thing. Look at the fan. For the balcony. Oops. Tell us about the balcony. Oh, we have a bug screen.
We do.
This is the first time I've seen a bug screen in ages. We have a couple of comfortable chairs and a beach view.
You realize, I think we're on the right side of the place to watch the sunset from here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's like a little pier and whatnot there.
We're gonna have to come up
And
here
like
for
that's
sunset.
like a little chapel. And a couple doors down is the presidential suite, whatever that is. But it looks like they have some good restaurants in here too. Now for the grand tour of the bathroom. Let's check it out. Okay, so as we enter the bathroom, we have this crazy huge tub with a rubber bath mat and some Le Grand Bain amenities. We have TP, and here we have a shower with a interesting glass shower door that opens this way. And we have a rain shower and a handheld shower. It's pretty nice towel work compared to some of the other places. And we have toiletries there again. Right here we have the towels, the hair dryer, and some random little amenities. Pretty nice sink. And cool lighting. I like the minimalist style. The bathroom kinda reminds me of that Hotel in Sapa. The Bill Bensley kind of minimalist, modern, bright sort of thing. Anyway, here's the grand tour. Oh, wait, apparently I forgot the closet because it just blends in. So right here we have a safe, a really nice modern dresser drawer that's empty, and it has right here we have a couple laundry bags and a robe and an umbrella and an ironing board and an iron. Cool. First things first, Brian's priorities. Coffee. So we just realized we got upgraded to the room pretty much right under the presidential suite. We got the largest studio and ocean front. I don't know how we got so lucky. We're only, status-wise, we're only silver elite. And like for IHG, we were platinum and we didn't even get an upgrade. That's crazy. So the guy gave us a couple coconuts. He was out there cleaning off the trees and that specific trailer there. And he gave us coconuts and I was like, is it free? And he was like, oh, if you want to give me a tip you can, but don't worry. So yeah, we don't have a straw, but I'll figure out how to drink it. Here's my first course. Second course.